Have you ever tried Shavige or Semiya Idli? This is Karnataka's authentic breakfast, often served at weddings. Soft, slightly tangy, greased with ghee, absolutely tastes amazing with coconut chutney. You might have tried Shavige upma and Shavige bath, but this is absolutely different way of enjoying Shavige or Semiya. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup of Shavige. This is not roasted. All other ingredients are ready here. Let's start by making tadka and roasting Shavige. In a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it crackles, add a tablespoon of chana dal, chopped ginger, few chopped curry leaves, 2 finely chopped green chilies. Fry it nicely. Next I am adding 1 cup of Semiya or Shavige. I always prefer to use unroasted Shavige because it lets me to control the roasting, color and overall flavor of the dish. If you prefer to skip this step, you can definitely use the roasted Shavige, no problem at all. You can see here the color has slightly started to turn golden. This looks perfect. Next I am adding about 2 tablespoons of upma rava. This binds Shavige together and helps to make perfectly shaped idlis. Just warm the rava and turn off the flame. Transfer this into a bowl, let it completely cool down before adding any wet ingredients. Adding wet ingredients while it is still warm can make idlis too tight and sticky, so we need to be very patient here. It is completely cooled down. Now I am adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste. Next I am adding 1 cup of sour curd. Add little by little. Add some water if needed and then mix it. I am adding remaining yogurt. We are not expecting to get thin batter like regular idli batter. We are expecting to get thick batter just like this. Cover the lid and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Our batter has rested nicely for 15 minutes. Now I am adding grated carrot. Do not add carrot during soaking. It releases the color and changes the entire color of the idli. So always try to add it at the end. Some chopped coriander leaves, some green peas, about a tablespoon of freshly grated coconut. Give it a one last mix. It is really very easy to mix it using your hands than using spoon or spatula, and I also like to do it this way. Grease the idli tray. Here I am using desi ghee. This gives nice aroma to the idlis. The batter is nicely combined. Take a small ball of it and spread it evenly, just like this. Let's take it to the idli steamer. The steamer is very nice and hot. Let's place them. Cover the lid and cook it in the steam for 10 to 12 minutes. Wow, look at this. Exactly after 12 minutes, it is completely cooked. The aroma is so good. It is so beautiful. Let's take it out. Perfectly shaped Shavige Idli, nicely binded together, soft, fluffy. Can't wait to enjoy this. Spicy coconut chutney is the great combination to enjoy this special breakfast. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.